Okay guys, it's Luke here, 13 Motorsports. Just doing kind of like a project wrap-up video with the MR2. This is the green one, the track car. So I guess starting off with the obvious, the Wilwood big brake kit, front and rear. Sorry, it's cold in here, don't mind my sniffling. Check that fucking rear rotor out. Huge. Actually, the camera's clean. It always trips people out because when you look at this car from a distance, you can't really see it in this frame, but the rear brake's actually quite a bit bigger than the front. So yeah, let's get right to business. Open this engine compartment. So this was a engine swap that was done by somebody else. Came to us so we could kind of clean some things up a little bit. I guess we'll start off with the obvious stuff. We fabbed up custom intercooler piping and an intake to get to the customer supplied side mount intercooler. We also did a coil on plug conversion kit. We did all the wiring from scratch. It's got the 1ZZ coils. It's got a cam trigger and a crank trigger. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can just barely see it down there. Right? Did all really nice wiring on it. It worked flawlessly on the dyno. Super, super happy with that. And then in the trunk, don't mind the mess, still needs a little cleaning up. But AM Infinity, very powerful motorsport grade ECU. I made a little bracket to mount it up all nice. We just got to finish cleaning this up. But we did get an adapter harness, which worked okay. We still had to modify it because the harness was originally ran for a Gen 3S ECU. Came with a relay and everything. And then we just added in some Deutsch connectors so we can connect into the harness that was made by Boom Slang. Yeah, it actually worked out very, very well for us. Using that Infinity, the car made, let's pull the dyno out. Right, so in the blue there, that's your horsepower graph, and in the green is your torque. So, you know, just at 3K, we hit 200 foot-pounds at 3,500 RPM, with a peak of 185, which is kind of surprising to me. I thought it'd be more than that, the stock cam. And it made 296 horsepower. Right, so a pretty decent curve. It's just a Gen 3 engine, CT20B turbo, and I think it needed about 20 pounds of boost to hit that. And overall, the car drives really good. Tuner did a great job, and I am about to deliver it. So stay tuned for our next video. Definitely won't be this car, but it'll be something else cool.